So here we have the Ford Transit Custom on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As you can see, we have reversing sensors. The back of the van is also ply-lined, and we have this full metal bulkhead. So this is the amount of boot space or rear space you have in total. This vehicle also has 3 rear seats, which I'll show you now. So as well as the 3 seats in the front, as I say, you also have these 3 seats in the rear with sliding side door access as well. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge. Beneath that, it will show you what gear this van is in. It's an automatic, so we're in park at the moment. And above that, you can see the main trip computer section and the total miles for the van, which are 10,803. We have a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed there as well. You can change that information using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information, and that's the button I was using just there. Beneath that, we have stereo controls, which continue on the left-hand side, along with cruise control and speed limiter. Over in the center, we then have the touchscreen for the car. So we're on the radio menu at the moment. You can see we have AM, FM and DAB radio, as well as Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. This vehicle also has 2 separate USB inputs, so if you plug devices into those, they'll appear up on here as further options for you. You can go back a screen from here and then back to the home screen from that icon in the top left, and this is where you pair up your phone. So hit add phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
And just follow the instructions on screen from there. Below that, we've got the air conditioning. So you can see that you can adjust the temperature over on the right hand side, the fan speed on the left hand side. We can turn the air conditioning on and off from this button just here. So it's on when the light shows and off again. We've also got heated driver and passenger seats below that with 3 different heat settings each and a heated front screen as well. We have one of the 2 USB inputs I mentioned a moment ago, along with the 12-volt charging socket next to it, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.